Hey there, English learners. Welcome back to another exciting English lesson on my channel. Today, we're diving into a fundamental topic that every English learner should master: learning English to be. We'll break down the formula, explore its different forms, and provide plenty of examples to help you grasp this essential concept. But before we get started, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss any of our helpful English lessons. Now, let's jump right into it. To be is one of the most important verbs in the English language. It's used to express identity, states, and relationships. The formula for to be is quite simple. Subject plus to be plus complement. Let's break it down further. Subject, this is the person or thing you're talking about. To be, this is the verb itself, and it changes depending on the subject. Complement, this is what provides more information about the subject. Now, let's go through some examples to see to be in action. 1. Affirmative sentence, it is positive statements. I am a teacher. She is my sister.
They are happy. He is not a doctor. We are not tired. It is not raining.
Is he coming to the party?
Is she your friend?
Are you ready for the exam? That's a wrap for today's lesson on learning English to be. Remember, mastering this fundamental verb is a crucial step in your English learning journey. Keep practicing, and you'll become more confident in using to be correctly in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow learners. And as always, subscribe for more valuable English lessons. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!